Okay, and I need to add the part right here. So what I think I'll do is extend that line to there and then trim off back in that direction. Oops. Okay, so that looks good on the top. Now we need to do that same sort of thing to the bottom. I'll start off here. I'll draw a line straight to the right, trim off the excess, and then I will just copy it down. Okay, so there you have the square thread part. Now we have a shoulder that we need to account for. So let me offset by 0.75. Okay, and again I'll use the extend command. I'll extend that line over, and then actually I should have done this one while I was at it. Okay, and I'll have to trim on this one. Okay, this one's fine. Okay, and then let me draw a line of length 1, line of length 1. Okay, and now I need to create the ends, and the best way to do that, of course you need to make sure you have your midpoint snap-on, is to just use the ellipse command, and I'll click here and go down to the midpoint. Now you don't want this to be too wide, okay? Just something similar to that. Okay, it can be a little bit wider, that's fine. And then copy that same ellipse so you can make sure it has the same width. This is the reason you want to copy it, and place them end to end. Once you've done that, you can erase that vertical line and then trim the ellipse so you can basically cut it in half. And then you want to go and turn on your hatch layer and hatch that area in there. And now you have created your square thread representation. You need to go in and add a center line. So you start at the midpoint here, go slightly beyond, and there's your center. And the last thing that you need to do is actually get rid of this vertical line here and this angled line. I accidentally left it in the drawing. So the way to do that is to actually trim below there and erase that line. And so that is your completed square thread representation. And don't forget to go and fill out all the information in your title block, and make sure that your drawing centered in the viewport, and make sure that your viewport is scaled. And I hope this helps you out, and that concludes this video.